A study population of 1,200 frogs revealed that 12 out of every 180 frogs in the population have spots on their back. Based on the results of this study, how many frogs in the population do not have spots on their back? A, 80, B, 168, C, 1,280, or D, 1,120. So as always, we use our rules. We just read the entire word problem. Next, we're gonna underline the specific question. So we're gonna underline or highlight how many frogs in the population do not, how many frogs in the population do not have spots on their back, all right? So how many frogs in the population, keyword not, have spots on their back? So we underline the question, now we're gonna label, all right? So we're gonna circle all the numbers, 12, 180, 1,200, and we're gonna box the keywords. Not as a keyword. Okay, so we labeled, now we're gonna evaluate. Our formula is gonna be part over the whole, and we're gonna use butterfly method. So we have 12 out of every 180 have spots on their back. So X out of 1,200 will have spots on their back, all right? So 180 multiplied by X, we'll do the butterfly method here. So we're gonna do 180 times X, which is gonna give us 180X. And then 12 multiplied by 1,200, we'll do this right here. 1,200 multiplied by 12. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 0. 1 time, put a 0 in the ones place. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. I'm gonna add these up, 4, 4. So we get 14,400. So 12 multiplied by 1,200 is gonna be equal to 14,400. Now, so this is our first step, the formula. Second step is to set up the butterfly method. The third step is to do the butterfly after we multiply them out. Our fourth step is to divide. So we're gonna do 180x equals to 14,400. We're gonna divide both sides by 180. 180. These cancel out. And we're left with X is equal to, it's going to be 80. So this means that 80 of the frogs have spots on their back, but it's looking for how many of the population do not have spots on their back. So we gotta subtract this 80 from 1,200. So 1,200 minus 80, okay? The 0, 0. 8 minus 0, we're gonna have to borrow 1 from the neighbor, 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. And then 1 minus nothing is 1. 1 minus nothing is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna be 1,120. The answer is D. The other options are not accurate. All right? Hope this video helps. Let me know if y'all have any specific questions. Oh, let me zoom back a little bit so I can see this. Okay, so first step, part over whole. Second step, 12 over 180, X over 1,200. Butterfly method, 180 times X is 180X. 12 times 1,200 is 14,400. We're gonna divide out, so 180X divided by 180, 14,400 divided by 180. X is equal to 80, all right? X is equal to 80. The answer is 1,120. All right, hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any more questions. We evaluated and we select the correct answer.